video, we are covering iteration statement. Let's see what is iteration statement. Iteration statements are also known as loops. It is used to repeat the block of code multiple times. It allows us to automate repetitive tasks. This means you can repeat the same block of code multiple times. Let's see the primary iteration statements: for loop, while loop, and nested loop. Let's see what is for loop. A for loop allows you to iterate over a sequence like list, tuple, string, or range. It executes the block of code for each item in that sequence. It's great when you know the number of iterations in advance. Example for loop concept. If you want to print your name 100 times, we can use loop concept to repeat the print statement instead of manually typing it 100 times. Let's see how it's working. For name in range of 100 times. Okay. Then print hello. I'm gonna run this code. You can see here hello in 100 times. Okay. Next example 2. For numbers in range of 1 to 5. So if you want to print starts from 1 till 5 means you have to give one more number extra. That means 1 to 6. Now print numbers. You can see here the output. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Next for example, for numbers in range of 100, then print numbers here numbers. Okay, let's run this code. You can see here 0 to 999. Okay, see here's number 999. Now let's see the example for looping through string. Looping through string. Okay, let's see. Word equal to Python. Then for character in word, print character. Let's run this code. Python. Okay. Next example, iterate through a list. Let's see. Fruits equal to list. So apple, orange, banana. Okay, n number of fruits. Then for fruits, for fruit in fruits. Okay, print fruit. Now you can see here apple, next one is orange, and then banana. Like that you can iterate it. Next one is while loop. While loop repeatedly executes the block of code as long as the specified condition is true. This is very useful when the iteration is not predefined. Let's see with the basic countdown example. Countdown equal to 5. This means countdown starts from 5 and then countdown ends with 0. So countdown is greater than 0. Print countdown. Okay. Next you have to give here condition. Countdown equal to minus equal to 1. This means countdown equal to countdown minus 1. Okay. Let's see. 5 minus 1 equal to 4. In next iteration, 4 minus 1 equal to 3. Like this. I'm gonna run this code. You can see here 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now let's see the example 2. Asking for user input. Here you don't know the number of time iteration. Let's see. First, user input equal to empty string. Then while user input is not equal to quit. Okay. Then user input equal to input. Get input from user. So input here. Type quit. Type quit to exit. Okay. If you typed quit, it will exit from the iteration. Next, print user input. Let's run this code. Open terminal and then Python file name iteration statement .py. Okay. Next, hello. Again hello till I'm gonna give quit. It will keep prompting. Okay, I'm gonna give quit. Now I can't be able to give prompt again. Okay, this is the basic syntax for nested loop. For variable 1 in sequence 1, this is called as outer loop. And then variable 2 in sequence 2, this is called as inner loop. Loop inside the another loop. Let's see the example by creating a square pattern. Create a square pattern using star. Okay, let's create a for I in range of 3. This means total number of rows equal to 3. And then for j in range 4, this means total number of columns equal to 4. And then print star. And then end equal to leave empty space. This means a space between each star without creating a new line. Next one, print function. This is used to create a new line after each row. Let's run this code. You can see here square pattern. Example 2. Imagine a school. There are several classes and each class has multiple students. Now let's say you want to meet each student one by one for every class. Let's write the code. Classes equal to 3. This means total number of class equal to 3. Okay. Next one. Students equal to 4. This means each class has 4 students. Okay. Next, for class number in range 1, classes plus 1. This means 1, 2, 3 like that in a loop mode. Next one. This is called as outer loop. Okay. Print classes. Class number. So here class number. Okay. Step 2. For student in range 1, students plus 1. This means 1, 2, 3 like that in a loop mode. This is called as inner loop. Next, print student number and then students. Okay, let's run this code using print function. You can see here class number 1, there are having 4 students. Again classroom number 2, 4 students. Classroom number 3, 4 students. This is how nested loop is working.